Fork the REPL provided in the resources of this video. It will take you to a URL and then fork that REPL. After that, read the instructions. You have to create a program which can take a number from the user and print if the number given is odd or even. This line of code just takes that number from the user, converts it into an integer and stores it in a variable named number. We have to write our code below this line. To perform this, we need to know a new mathematical operator, which is the modulo. What the modulo does is it gives us the remainder of two numbers after dividing them. So let's try it. Let's say we want to print 10 modulo 3. So we want it to divide 10 by 3 and then return to us the remainder. So I will comment this line out and run the code. As you can see, it gave us 1, meaning it divided 10 by 3, which will be 3 times, that will be 9, and then we have a remainder of 1. So it returned 1 to us. Now you have to use this modulo to perform this coding exercise. So pause the video and try the coding exercise. I hope you have completed the exercise on your own. If not, then let's walk through it together. First, you have to take the number from the user and then write an if statement. So we are going to check if the number given modulo 2 equals to 0. So what this line does is, first of all, we are doing an if statement and then we are taking our variable number and then we are using modulo 2. This will check if the number is even or not, because every even number is exactly divisible by 2. No remainders left. So if the number that we have is exactly divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, then we are going to print to the user that the number, and we are going to use an F string to tell the user the number and the number that the user provides is even. And we are using double equals to instead of a single equals to, because a single equals to is used to assign a value to a variable. As you can see, here we are using a single equals to assign a value to the variable number. That's why we use 2 equals to check if a number is equals to something else. Now let's do the else statement. In the else statement, if the number is not exactly divisible by 2, meaning the number is not even. If the number is not even, then it means that the number is odd. So let's print using an F string the number, and then the number the user provides us with is odd. Now our exercise is complete. Let's run our code and check it. So as you can see, it tells us which number do you want to check. Let's provide 10. 10 is an even number and it tells us the number 10 is even. Let's try some another number. Let's say 9. 9 is an odd number. That's why it's saying the number 9 is odd. If you completed this exercise, then congratulations. But if you did not, I would recommend that you review the F and Else lessons and then come back to this challenge later and perform it. In the next video, we are going to be looking at nested F and Else statements and the elif condition. So for all of that and more, I'll see you there.